Hello and welcome to What's Bubbling at ZIM. I'm inventor Dan Zen. We've got lots of things bubbling at ZIM lately, but let's take care of a bit of business first. We've made a quick change to ZIM Move and ZIM Animate, and it will also affect the sprite run method. Let's take a look and see what's happening. Here's some code. What we've done is we've added a rewindWaitCall and a loopWaitCall. We already have a rewind call and a loop call, but we, we found that we sort of need calls in the waiting as well. What happened is initially the loop was at the very end, the loop call was at the end, and then it turned out, oh, you know, I need that loop call to be before it waits for the loop. And so, oh yeah, that's when it should be. So we put it before the loop wait. And then about a year later, it's sort of like, no, crap, now I need it at the end of it. And it's like, oh, okay, we need it in both places. So let's see an example running here. And here's a ball, and I refresh. And there's the ball going. It's going to rewind wait, so it's waiting. And then it rewinds. And it's going to loop wait. So here it is waiting to loop, and then it loops. And so we're getting the comments in here, and it's going to do that 3 times. So as it was standing previously, the current rewind was triggering before the rewind wait. And the current loop was triggering before the loop wait. One of the reasons for that is the very last loop wait, the very last loop wait doesn't actually count for anything because there's this call at the end. So there's the call at the end. Not only that, it was decided that there wouldn't be a loop at the end. If you want the end, then it's the call. So what happens here, I don't know if you can see this, hopefully you can, it starts off with a rewind wait, and then the rewind trigger. Twiggles. So that's been adjusted now. It wasn't like that. It used to call the rewind during this first phase before the wait. So if you're going to be updating to ZIM 4.9.3 and beyond, and you had carefully put in a rewind wait that was happening, or a rewind call that was happening before the rewind wait, then that's going to be changed for you. It'll break your code. So hopefully that's not the case. But it seems to make more sense that the rewind is actually as it's going back, and the rewind wait happens just before the rewind starts waiting. Okay, so that's the deal there. Woohoo! Isn't that neat? You see them here? So there's, oh, the parameters are also with that. So if you wanted to pass in a parameter to the rewind wait call, then you would use rewindWaitParams and pass that in. Do you want to see how that works, just in case some people don't really kind of get that? Let's put that in there. So rewindWaitParams colon, and then we can say pass in an object that is something like message colon quote hi. Okay, and a comma there. So the rewindWaitParams is only one value. If you want, you can just pass in a string. You could pass in hi, and that's it. But sometimes you want more than one parameter, so I'm just showing you how you can get more than one parameter by just going comma, other, colon, hi there. Okay, so the message is hi, and some other part is there, and we're passing these as params into the rewind call. So now we collect that here. We say just as one though, so params like that. So we're collecting the params, and we can zog rewind wait plus params dot message plus, we'll put in a quote plus, I suppose we'll put a space in here as well, plus, you know what this one is? Params dot other. Params dot other. And if you were just passing one bit of information, you could just say quote hi, and then params would be hi. All right, does that look good? So let's try her out. Open this up again and refresh. There it goes. Rewind wait, hi there. So that gives us extra information. By the way, by default, whatever you collect here, and any of these by default, if you don't pass in params, you collect the target. So at this point, that's the target. We could say t.alpha equals 0. And then at this point, the rewind call. Let's see, this is the rewind call. That's the rewind wait call. So just as it starts to rewind, it's going to disappear. You want to see? There it goes. Waits. Poof. Disappears. Because we used the default T for the target. That's the ball. Coming in, and we can then manipulate that. So just beware, if you pass your own parameters in, we have no access to the target anymore. But the easy way around that is here you can say target colon ball comma. So now we have a message coming through, we have another coming through, and we've got the target being the ball here. So if we wanted to, now we could say params.target.alpha equals 0. We don't need to do a stage.update because in Animate everything's stage.updating. I'll comment this one out just so you don't get mixed up. But now as soon as it arrives at the right hand side, even before it has the wait of 2 seconds, it's going to disappear. So we go to here and we refresh. As it arrives, we get an error. Params.target is undefined. Lovely. Okay, params.target. There's the target in the rewind params. So it just must be that ball is undefined. Oh, because we've chained it. So we're currently chaining the animate on the end of ball, so it doesn't know what ball is yet. So if we just step to that ball, like so. So now ball is properly defined, and we can use that there. Okay, let's try it again. It never hurts to see an error because, you know, you guys may have had that same error too, and then poof, there it goes, and you wouldn't have known what the heck is going on. Oh, well, I don't know, whatever. Yeah, you might have had that. So did you catch that? We were chaining the animate on the end, and ball therefore doesn't exist yet at this time. So now we're making sure the ball exists first, doing the animate, and now we're able to pass ball in as a target there. Woohoo! I'm Inventor Dan Zen. This has been a What's Bubbling a ZIM. There's so many things upcoming that's bubbling. Oh my goodness, we've got wow, I can hardly say. It's one of the prime ones is a particle emitter. So I'll be showing you a particle emitter coming up. But there's also some neat things. There's a wiggler, and there's ways that we're passing now in parameters. There's this thing called ZIM or pick, which allows you to delay random selections and pass in the random selection as a parameter, so that in the future, when you run that parameter or ask for that parameter, it will pull randomly. So it's kind of neat and used throughout these new things that we've been building. Okay, so lots of bubblings coming up. Talk to you later. Have a great day.